Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Would you believe me if I told you this RV costs over $500,000 and it's actually nicer than most homes? Today, we're taking you on a full tour of this 2025 luxury RV from the cutting-edge cockpit to the spa-like bathroom. You're going to want to see this. 1. Exterior tour. The first thing that stands out is the sleek, aerodynamic body design. This 2025 model features high-gloss paint, custom rims, LED headlight clusters, and built-in cameras for 360-degree views. Dashboard and front cab. Inside front cab, showcasing controls and driver seat, you've got a fully digital dashboard, GPS navigation, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. The captain's chairs are ventilated, heated, and fully reclinable, basically first-class airline. STE. Living area. Pee into the living area and it's easy to forget you're in a vehicle. You've got a sectional leather couch, electric fireplace, ambient lighting, and a 65-inch 1000 smart TV. Need extra sleeping space? This couch converts into a full queen-size bed. Kitchen. The kitchen is fully loaded, literally. You've got solid surface countertops, a full-size residential fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a dishwasher. Storage is everywhere, and all drawers are soft close with locking mechanisms for safe travel. Bathroom and bedroom. The bathroom features a glass door shower with rainfall and handheld options, plus a porcelain toilet and real tile flooring, and in the master suite a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, built-in USB ports, and a walk-in closet with washer or dryer hookups. Tech and hidden features. This RV is packed with smart home tech, touchscreen controls, solar panel system with a 3000-watt inverter, onboard Wi-Fi booster, and full climate control via app. Engine and driving performance. This RV is built on a Freightliner XC chassis, paired with a Cummins 6.7 liters turbo diesel engine, pushing out around 360 to 450 horsepower and over 1,000 pound-feet of torque, depending on the trim and configuration. Price and final thoughts. All of this comes with a price tag of around $500,000, depending on options and upgrades, but for many, it's worth every penny. You get mobility, luxury, and freedom, all in one package. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would